What is up, guys? I got this clean 1991 BMW 325i convertible. It's a clean E30, not modified, completely stock. This was my customer's vehicle. They bought it new for their wife and themselves. It was their wedding gift to each other. It's got 88,962 miles, and those are true miles. The odometer does work. Typical problem on these E30s is the odometer stops working. This one works perfectly. As you can see, the interior is in great shape. No cuts, no tears. Carpet's in good shape. A little bit of cracking up here on the dash, which is a common problem for these. Mechanically, this car is flawless. It's got a couple little minor issues. The biggest problem it has is the bumper is cracked here. I tried outsourcing a bumper, but they are on back order, so we are posting it the way it is at a discounted price. Tires are basically brand new. Great tread on them. Got one little ding over here, you can see. It's got good PA safety inspection on it. All electronics work. AC works great, heat works. Heated seats work. Start it up. Starts right up. Take a look under the hood. Sounds good, drives even better. Up for sale now. Top up. I'm gonna put the top up. Quick video underneath. This car was garage kept pretty much its entire life.